Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first click to start and setting, then click to Bluetooth. So if it is connected, so please remove it. Okay, then next method, uninstall and reinstall Bluetooth driver. So click to start, type device manager, open it. Okay, so after that find out the Bluetooth, so this Bluetooth and select this, select on Bluetooth wireless, right click to uninstall and then click to uninstall it, then click to action and then scan hardware changes, then it will come back again. Okay, and then extract again, select a wireless Bluetooth and right click to update driver and then close it, close. Disable Bluetooth power saving mode, so click to start device manager, extract Bluetooth, select wireless Bluetooth, right click to property and then click to advanced power management, then unchecked the computer, turn off the device to power saving mode and then click to OK and then close it. Then check the Windows Bluetooth services, click to start, type services.msc, right click to run as administrator, then press the Bluetooth B. So Bluetooth support service, double click it. So if it is stopped, so click on start and then before that select the automatic, then apply, then OK, then select again Bluetooth support service and left hand side restart options, there click it. Okay, then close it and repair Windows file. It is very important for your system, so click to start, type cmd, there are two command, right click to run as administrator. Okay, so first one, this is DISM health restore. So this command use will restore your health. Okay, to this command, and after that it will start the percentage. So when first is completed, then try to second one. Okay, and type this SFC scan now and then hit enter. So same it will start the percentage. Okay, if it is stock, no worry about it, just click to hit enter, and when it is completed then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.